What is fraternal twins? Fraternal twins, also known as dizygotic twins, develop from two separate eggs fertilized by two different sperm. This means they have different genetic makeups, sharing about 50% of their DNA, similar to regular siblings. They can be the same or opposite sex and often look no more alike than regular brothers and sisters. Fraternal twins are more common than identical twins, making up about 70% of all twin births. They're influenced by factors like family history, ethnicity, and fertility treatments. Since they have unique genetic profiles, they can have different traits, interests, and personalities, just like regular siblings. Why one fraternal twin can have a disability while the other is normal. Paragraph 1. Fraternal twins and genetic differences. Fraternal twins, also called dizygotic twins, are twins that come from two separate eggs fertilized by two different sperm. This means they are not identical and share only about half of their genes, just like regular brothers or sisters. Because of this, they can have very different traits, and one twin could inherit a gene that increases the chance of a disability while the other does not. Paragraph 2. Embryos and mutations. An embryo is the early stage of a baby's development in the womb. Sometimes, a mutation can happen in the embryo. A mutation is a change in the DNA, the instruction manual that tells the body how to grow and work. Most mutations are harmless, but some can cause a disability. Paragraph 3. A de novo mutation is a genetic change that occurs for the first time in an individual. Unlike most genetic traits that are inherited from parents, a de novo mutation happens spontaneously in the DNA of a developing embryo or early fetus. These mutations can occur randomly during cell division or due to environmental influences on the embryo. While many de novo mutations have no noticeable effect, some can cause developmental disorders or disabilities. The term de novo comes from Latin, meaning from the beginning or anew, highlighting that this change is new and not inherited. Dizygotic twins and differences after birth. Even though dizygotic twins share the womb, they are still separate individuals and can have very different experiences after birth. If one twin faces problems, like a lack of oxygen, illness, or injury, they they might develop a disability, while the other twin, who didn't face the same issue, remains healthy. This shows that even twins born at the same time can have very different outcomes depending on what happened after birth.